IELTS vocabulary, understanding and using fetid. Imagine walking into a room and being immediately assaulted by an overwhelmingly unpleasant smell. That's the power of today's IELTS vocabulary word, fetid. This advanced term is crucial for learners aiming for a band score of 9.0, as it demonstrates a sophisticated grasp of descriptive language. Word type. Fetid is an adjective, meaning fetid describes something that has an extremely unpleasant smell, often associated with decay or decomposition. It goes beyond merely bad smelling. Fetid odors are typically strong, offensive, and can even be nauseating. Word history. The term fetid has its roots in Latin. It comes from the Latin word fetidus, meaning stinking or foul smelling, which itself is derived from federe, to stink. This word has been part of the English language since the 15th century, maintaining its powerful descriptive quality throughout the centuries. Antonyms. To truly understand fetid, it's helpful to consider its opposites. Some antonyms include fragrant, aromatic, sweet-smelling, and perfumed. While fetid evokes disgust, these words suggest pleasant, enjoyable scents. Synonyms. Fetid has several synonyms that can be used in various contexts. These include malodorous, putrid, rank, foul-smelling, noisome, and rancid. Each of these words carries a similar connotation of an extremely unpleasant odor, though they may vary slightly in intensity or specific associations. Examples used in sentences. Let's explore how to use fetid in context with some example sentences. The explorers recoiled as they entered the fetid swamp, its stagnant waters emitting an overpowering stench. Despite its fetid breath, the Komodo dragon is a fascinating creature that plays a crucial role in its ecosystem. The detective wrinkled his nose at the fetid odor emanating from the abandoned warehouse, suspecting it might conceal something sinister. After weeks at sea, the ship's hold had become fetid, the air thick with the smell of unwashed bodies and rotting provisions. Common errors in use. When using fetid, there are a few common mistakes to avoid. First, don't confuse it with fetid, which means highly honored or celebrated. Quite the opposite. Also, fetid specifically refers to smell, not to appearance or texture. Saying something looks fetid would be incorrect. Instead, you might say it looks rotten or decayed. Another error is using fetid for mildly unpleasant smells. Reserve this powerful adjective for truly offensive odors. Lastly, be cautious about overusing such a strong descriptive term, as it can lose its impact if employed too frequently. To wrap up, fetid is a potent adjective that vividly describes extremely unpleasant smells. Its Latin origins, array of synonyms and antonyms, and specific usage make it a valuable addition to your IELTS vocabulary. By mastering words like fetid, you demonstrate the nuanced understanding of English required for a band score of 9.0. Remember, the key to using such advanced vocabulary effectively is not just knowing the definition, but understanding its connotations and applying it accurately in various contexts.